So welcome to the coolest tutorial of Python. This is Bitfumes and I'm your host Sarthak. So in this episode we are going to talk about the sets in Python. So let's first create a list and I will call this list as fruits. And to create a list we need to use this square brackets, and inside this we can say mango, then we can say apple, then we can say banana, and one more time apple because it's a list, it can repeat something. And here let's say grapes. Okay, so this is good, so let's try to print it. And fruits, run it. Yes, we have these things, but the list are mutables and are ordered. That means every time you run you will get the same sequence in which this is represented. That means the first element is always mango, nothing else. But here comes the new thing, which is set. A set is an unordered list. So what I can do to create a set? Let's first create this fruits list as a set. So I will say fruits set, this is the variable, and I will just call set, and in this function I will give this fruit, so like this. So now if I run or if I print fruit set, look what's going to happen. If I run it, you can see it has apple, grapes, mango, banana only, but in our list we have repeated apples 2 times. So set has another feature which is like set cannot repeat any value. So if you give any value repeated, then set just remove that repeated value and get only one time. So this is good, but as soon as I refresh once more, you can see the set having different order. Banana is first, apple is second. Run once more, then grapes is first, apple is second. Once more, apple is first, mango is second. So this means set doesn't have any first element or second element, it just has the element, and that element are unique only, no repetition of the elements of the set. So this is good, we have converted a list into set. But what if we have a tuple? We know this is a tuple because if I get the type of fruit, not fruit set, only fruits, so yes, we can see it's a tuple. And now because we have converted this tuple also to set, if we can print this, again we are getting the same result because either it is a list or it is a tuple, we have converted it to set. So this is nice, but how actually we can create? We have just converted the list or a tuple into set. So how we can create a unique set? So it's very easy. Just like list you use for creating a tuple, you use this parenthesis, and the last one is for set. So if you do like this, this will become a set. So if I now give the type of fruits, you can see it is a set. Okay, so now set has many features. Set can has a function called add, and you can add anything you want. So let's try to add orange here. So let's add orange. So why not move this above and print the fruits. So run it, you can see grapes orange, and this add method is added orange to this set, and because set doesn't has any order, so it is randomly added anywhere. So if I run it, yeah, orange is now on 4th position. So just like add, we also have another method called pop. So just give a pop and it will randomly delete or remove any element. So if I say apple is removed from here, this time I think banana is removed, yeah, correct. Similarly, it can remove anything. But because if you have remembered in your mathematics class, Sets are just a representation of collection of items, and here it is also. So similar to mathematics, we can perform various set related operations, just like we have union, we have intersection, and like that. So I will going to explain you by this Venn diagram. So I think if you have learned this in your set theory, so first thing we are going to see A minus B. That means element present in A but not in B. So for that I will create another set which is again having some of the fruits, and first fruit I'm going to give is orange, second is mango, then third is berries. Okay, so it's enough. But here you can see this mango is in both set. So according to our Venn diagram, A minus B is only going to give values having only in A but not in B. So this means if I say fruits minus box, run it, grapes, apple, banana. So we are getting grapes, we are getting apple, we are getting banana, and mango is skipped. Why? Because mango is also present in box. We want only the items in fruits only. So after this minus, we have this union command. Union is very simple. Get everything from both of the set. To use union, you need to use this pipe sign. And if I run it, you can see we are having mango, we are having orange, which is in box, banana, grapes, berries, apple, everything is there. And because this result is also a set, so it doesn't have any repeated values. Next we have A intersection B. Intersection means give me those values which are common to both set. For that we have to use ampersand or and sign. So if I run it, we know the common is only mango. So run, and mango is there. So super cool. And the last one is inverse of this intersection. And for that we can just use this caret sign. And it's like, don't give the value which are present in both. Just remove that and you will get everything from A, everything from B, but not that value which are present in both. So in our sets, mango is present in both sets, so we want to remove these, get everything else. So run it, and yes, apple, orange, berries, banana, grapes, but not the mango. So this is all about set, and if you have liked this episode, please go and subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to get the instant notification. Like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and share this video with your friends. We will meet in the next episode to learn about the dictionaries, and till then, goodbye.